All right, so we're going through a toll in Orange Beach, and we're about to do this boat, and here we go.
75, need a receipt?
No, it'll come out.
Have a good one.
All right, thank you. So where we're headed now is going to be a marina that's over here. We're going to be taking care of a 35-foot australis. If I'm saying that correctly, I don't know. I'm going to take you all along for the ride, and we're going to go. But if you look on both sides, I mean, it is pretty cool. But yeah, we're going to make a stop. I'm going to stop and pick up some wax real quick for this boat. We're going to be using meguairs marine and RV wax on this boat, and first we got to wash it, clean it. Yes, we got some work to do. So, but it's a beautiful day. Can't beat it.
It's a member spot. Starting to notice most places with member spots are kind of snooty.
Yeah, just a little bit. Oh, you're already recording?
Yep.
Oh yeah, so we're trying to find the member services, or we're supposed to check in before we could do this boat. So we are in Sportsman's Marina. Figure out where we gotta go.
Especially if you think that restaurant is. I mean, they should know.
That's interesting.
A boat storage?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
I don't even know how the hell you get them up there. Ah, never mind. There's my answer right there. It's a big ass forklift.
All right, so hey, everybody, we just made it out here. This is an australis. That's the name of the boat, and it's kind of like this cream yellow color. But I'm gonna go around it. I'm gonna show you the before. Then we're gonna get into it. We gotta wash it. We gotta get this yellow staining that's underneath this boat. We gotta get it off, and it's a dirty job. But we're gonna get all this stuff off, get the staining off the best that we possibly can, and then we're gonna buff the boat. So we're gonna lay a nice coat of wax on it. Also, we're gonna go topside, we're gonna clean off the deck and get that cleaned. So just gonna show you that. So here we go. Grab one. Tight. All right, so we're about to get on spraying hull cleaner on this, just the bottom. Got it. Yeah. It actually won't hurt it. Like clean. Yeah, I don't want that coating to come off. stuff off. Oh, yeah. Rinse it off underneath the hole in the back, and then this, and then put the oil. Alright, so now we're going to be waxing this boat. We're going to be using Meguairs cleaner wax number 50 on here. We're going to be using a rotary. Just get the job done quicker. We're taking off light oxidation. Come back and hand compound it up.
So no wipey right now? Is that yes wipey?
Yeah, after I'm done doing this section. Go for it. Then you just use a premium microfiber towel. You can get these from anywhere. Just make sure that you got a good pile on it. It doesn't need to be any particular name brand. Pretty good, ain't it?
Yeah.
You okay?
Oh yeah. I just have to stand back so I can see it.
You want to talk to the YouTube and tell them about how you notice to be able to see at a certain angle. Oh, it's fucking motion.
Just here in a second.
Good?
Oh yeah. Showing the exact angle.
Yeah.
Maybe. Alright, I'm guessing this isn't on. So as you can see, get that off my screen. You can see where he's polishing. But I also haven't wiped all the way up to that angle. So the best way to do it is to come as close as you can without touching and look. But always, always, always try to face the sun. Should be able to see a little bit right here compared to some right here. That as you walk, it goes away. I don't like you looking at me like that.